niggas running shit, big money since a jit. Yeah, we used to all this suffering, we've been through all that struggling. We used to having nothing, we lived through all them troubles. We grinded, couldn't buckle. On all 10, had to put up them knuckles. It wasn't easy, we had to tussle. Now wondered how I got this muscle. Got our mind up, cause shit is crucial. If you need money, I can introduce you. If you having trouble, we gon' induce you. Money gang, tell them this is over, man. We big niggas, we balding chains. And I talking about pocket change. Look at us, we big investors. Give me mine, we big collectors. We are the loaners, you are the debtors. If you run, we got detectors. Fully automatic with selectors. My little goons, they not confessors. Catch your ass slipping, interceptors. We don't keep peace, that's for the elders. Cause these young niggas got too many defectors. In my hood, we big directors, trendsetters and innovators. Y'all all separate, we are connectors. We go-getters and trendsetters. Them laws hating, our main suppressors. Convicted felon, feeling the pressure. Still going ham, cause that's my nature. We got the money, your side is crummy. Got hella brains, y'all niggas dummies. I heard you want it, come take it from me, dummy. Yeah, I've been a boss, I was elected. I took the lesson, it was effective. We are the young, we are the restless. Player shit, put us on that checklist. I've been a boss, I was elected. I took the lesson, it was effective. We are the young, we are the restless. Player shit, put us on that checklist. Slide back, that chamber. Baby Draco, that bitch dangerous. Lil bitty niggas, you been entangled. Big business when we at that table. Living large and super stable. Feel the tension, call me cable. Tight on God, got my own label. You niggas dead, we fresh out the cradle. Niggas in them streets, not setting goals. Dreams emptier than them potholes. Get off your ass and get a bag. Stop looking sad, that shit a drag. Launching off in Tesla plaid. Young niggas